Hello everyone and welcome. And in today's video, we are going to look at collective nouns. Collective nouns. So collective nouns, as the word is collective nouns, in Luganda, it means Erinnya eriyimirirawo ku lw'ebingi. Erinnya eriyimirirawo ku lw'ebingi. Once again, collective nouns, it means Erinnya eriyimirirawo ku lw'ebingi. Remember, we said a noun is a name of anything. And if you didn't watch this video, please do about nouns in playlist 1. Nouns, erinnya lye batuuma ekintu. It is what we call nouns. For example, a boy, a girl, a tree, those are nouns. Amannya g'ebintu nga emiti, abawala, abalenzi ge bayita erinnya. So collective is a general name given to many things, as we are going to see. Erinnya eriyimirirawo ku lw'ebingi. So ku lw'ebingi means it stands for many items. Ku lw'ebingi. Okay, let's proceed. What is a collective noun? What is a collective noun? By definition, a collective noun is a naming word used to refer to a group or number of animals, people, or things. So a collective noun is a naming word used to refer to a group or number of animals, people, or things. A collective noun is a naming word. First of all, a naming word, erinnya ly'ekintu, used to refer to a group or number of animals, implying that in a collective noun is one name or a single name given to many things. A single name which is used on many things, because we've said used to refer to a group. Erinnya erikozesebwa okwogera ku bintu ebingi. Liba limu naye nga likozesebwa okwogera ku bintu ebingi. Once again, is a naming word used to refer to a group or number of animals, people, or things. Animals, ebisolo. People, abantu. Things, ebintu. People, abantu. Things, ebintu. Animals. Most especially, things is used to refer to non-living objects. Ebintu ebitassa. Okay, erinnya erikozesebwa mu kwogera ku bintu ebingi naye nga liri limu. It is what we call a collective noun in English. Okay, hope you are together. Okay, let's proceed. One thing you should remember when you use collective nouns in sentences is to use the right form of a verb. One thing you should remember when you use collective nouns in sentences is to use the right form of a verb. Remember, we said a verb is a doing word. For example, eat, play. Verb ly'erinnya erikozesebwa okulaga ekikolwa. Remember, when we were looking at subject, verb, and the object in sentence construction, we saw what a verb is. So a verb is a doing word. Hope you remember that. Erinnya eriyimirirawo ku lw'ekikolwa. For example, okulya, okuwuga. That is what you call a verb. Okay, so what do I mean by this sentence? When you are using collective nouns, you should always focus on using the right form of a verb. For example, play changes to playing, then played. It depends on the tenses you are talking about. Okay, let's proceed. Collective noun definition. Remember, group of people or things. A group of people or things, like a summary. So a name given to group of people or things. Okay, let's look at examples of collective nouns. Examples of collective nouns. Here are some of examples of collective nouns. Okay, let's first look at collective nouns for animals. collective nouns for animals. We've said animals in Luganda are ebisolo. Okay, let's proceed. So a collective noun for bees is swarm. Once again, collective noun for bees is swarm. Erinnya eriyimirirawo ku lw'enjuki ennyingi mu Luzungu baliyita swarm. So when you're talking about bees, you use swarm. It's like one word given to a collection of bees. So a collective noun for bees is a swarm. Erinnya erimu eriyimirirawo ku lw'enjuki ennyingi baliyita swarm in English. Number 2, collective noun for fish is shoal or school. A collective noun for fish is shoal or school. Okay, so school can be used in two different meanings. School meaning collective noun for fish or shoal. Collective noun for fish is shoal or school. Let's proceed. Collective noun for sheep is a herd. A collective noun for fish, rather, a collective noun for sheep is herd with H-E-R-D. Erinnya liyimirirawo ku lw'endiga ennyingi. Remember, sheep is endiga in Luganda. Baliyita herd mu Luzungu. A herd. I saw a herd of sheep, implying that there were many sheep. Okay, let's proceed. A collective noun for ships is what we call fleet. Collective noun for ships is fleet. Erinnya liyimirirawo ku lwa emmeeri. Ships in Luganda are emmeeri eseeyeeya ku mazzi. So emmeeri ennyingi oba oyagala kukituuma linnya limu mu Luzungu, we call it a fleet. Once again, a collective noun for ships is fleet with double E. Okay, let's proceed. Collective nouns for lions is what we call pride. Collective noun for lions is what we call pride. Erinnya liyimirirawo ku lw'empologoma ennyingi lye bayita pride in English. Collective noun for lions is pride. Okay, that is it for today. We shall continue on with this series in the next video. Bye bye. Weraba.